say fufu ameje oceanographic ameje say ye pink kura
you was say no ya nyi a wakama ewiase nyina te se ya ma de wo
me din no ba ku bi ka ho
amonim ba ko so kura ha dwene se
ade yo
ade ba ko kura ka ho ne se amade bedu ho no amfa nkwa ye ni guase ataku ataku uni me monno atakwa aku no na ataku so what ana me monno kwa aku ata
CJ what's it here for na wonum de nkrata ba se maame no wompen
concerned youth
omu reasons omu state ye ne sen
say omu hu maame no ewo campaign political campaign platform be so that, and then they are also asking say maame no a card bearing member of the party ana
John Boadu general secretary of the MPP amanyoko na no say
yes
or ye party member amanyoko no oka ho na na dwuma a oye nti na dwuma no ana oye no na nwose wo yi nanim ense so yi nanim gina campaign platform so say ya na say
oye prosini nti yi nanim anye yi
se nipa ise adanse no wo hia mejidi sansa na yebeka say obi ye a member of a political party no your requirements e was nipa ninya what you any dues ne card no wo he every ben the last time crew to any dues ne bra no ye na dwuma nyina no e wo ho
because for how many years
exactly unim I listened to honorable member for Ekumfi
Atukudu yes
ne best friend enim na shebedwani ya wa free mu no ne best friend I was say ne yire ne nu aduane na odi frifie aba na omadi ne parliament o so mo be kokko constituency on be yeden yo omo na onene ne bohye eti e to da wo so me de me mentai niam ne bi okra mentai wo se ye bi obekọ bibi obeye na edru ba bi a wo se ne yire ne ko peacekeeping wo be ni sika wo de baaye no ni nyina wo de be chemu o campaign a wo ye chese ye obi wo hon me from underground rappers se obani yi nanim eye politics anka na dwuma a wo ye no wati amra enko wati amra ene yesi ye wo wa west anasa wa central onmunyamfo ye lecture won prosini no onu kotu no a sabre okosi na namu no onu ndc amanyoko no they knew him say oye member but because of najumenti no ontumi megina political platform so say oye campaign eti no ni dues awotua ne niema oye oyi nanim na no no munim say oye member baby anajumenti ye wonipa bebire omo hyehye nwuma mu ene yesi ye wo journalist ni nipa bia omo firi mu a ye aye nua kwadwo opon se no oye journalist no oye nadwuma ene oye minister oye MPP amanyoko no mu eti party ni betumi aboa edi nkyiremu aba ama youth no amasori no se omo se ne ha omo nyina ni dia ene they have the right say omo demand and party ni so wa asede say omo hu say oh say na ekọ se ne omo sha ase a omo di nkyiremu ba no omo famra me kura de me ka say omo be ka say ebia se ne amanfo asha ase e ka kua ni kunu na wu ye ntem dodo ne de ne ba ebi so hawo no ba sanya no na ade esese ye de kire won so oye party member otua di so koni se dia omo famra ntem ye mpese nipa bi besa asoye aye maami we te se ne ye maami ba akono maami ba akono ma Lydia de no really oba se enyasem pa na enyasem a enko oba ni kunawu kwan ya so sei ne onamu no onam pain mu oba bia ni kunu be firi mu woni ni kitama kura woni netie ya eti se ye eniema bi wo honomo na nipa bi be soye ne ye de abekasa tie nipa no ama ni pain na ye mo a penfo eda party na no so anu animu ya
ekwa mede kakra ka ho no eno a won se ye awia premtobra kase bo no so no ye ne NPP General Secretary John Boadu etwetwe nkomo ha na ye bisa no enema ba komienu bi se said ye kekeke ye. The first question me dey ka bisa nse maame no wo ye party member wo tua to won card no so yes maame no ye party member na de odit intiman kra wa manyoko no mu ene se wo se maame no wo ye adwuma kra wa underground che ni kunu no da Jombo do se maame no underground wo ye adwuma kra che ni kunu no wo se maame no kra ne mpem bebre no ya na o constituency num a wo gi constituency ne report nyina ne wo mo ehawo na asem ne ba ni kunu ba na je se wo briefing na wo mo tu nwa na mo enti maame no wo ye card bearing member e wo NPP amanyoko num e na wo san e ye adwuma yi entu wose ade ne ba sa no man kasa na ase amanyoko na betwetwere wo mo se kwamben na just less than 2 months and I say a little over 2 months aka ye de kwakoto aba no wo betumi enya obi na am free baby amanyoko na nkasa mu nipa me nkasa no metie constituency no mo coordinator or constituency no na wo kase maame no ida se wo mo de maame ne bema wo mo anase obo papa ba ko nsusu din se eye the two people no emu ba ko and wo mo panya sa dia
enya nura kura asemo the very day papa ni free mu no CJ interviews or yeah Kofi Aje baby anu ogina bia people were calling for say
didn't talk there me enro na menya akwanya ti ehwe ne videos bia na
anshase enro
Mr. Coordinator no na enro na me na menya opportunity amiti enna eda no nkasa so asem ne see en mehwe other reports apart from yenua Kofi Aje kura de na ode baaye no me share other media house reports bia wo mo call scene hono a wo mo koye no na je say enipa na nkasa wo mo kromo no we calling say maame no na wo mo hia no enti youth na wo mo ama wo muso no we kura de nkanya de a esese wo mo epia bonte ansa enka wo mo nko o mama nyoko na mu na misampanimfo se aso ye enema ye pese ye hunu ne sa maame no wo ye card bearing
the question is omo ye MPP for sa group no maba no
enam pese me hunu se sa youth na nka sa me bisa se youth from where say womu ye youth a womu friend pipi konum anaso womu ye youth a womu free abato mpesua no so na se e wo se yetimi hunu mu nsunsu ye na sa de odi kaka we enye bibi de womu bisa no kran so enye den if the Jombo do any constituency executives ni nim pefe say asem no mo kan ye no kresa maame no wo ye card bearing member edman pipi amanyoko no a womu enyi nkyere womu na etu nkwatwere ba bi etwere
na sa kuya sa
yes am chun maame we
Sasta we na abase nipa no ofiri mu a yade ne ho kani ebesi na nemu no amanfo wo problem with omo o ma sha ase kasaba unim se nipa no ko no ye competent enough wo ko first one yi de ye sympathy vote wo ko first one yi de obi ani ho no mo betumi akasa nye sympathy vote abrabo ne niema ewo mu nti no from 2000 ye see ye certificate out ye see ye sabe no professor onu free mu ye de ne yire ba ye otumi wini ye e free ho no mo ne see ewo shai osudoku oklu e de ye a wono so ni onu kra de ni kunu no mrahye bedwem ho wa nya nwura ho wenye nwura ho akwanhia few amomato ena nu onya akwanhia ye de ne yire ne baaye onso etumi se wo ye competent enough because ebi so dia o kan say bia oba ono so ne de ne wo ho ebi dia o mo kan say o eni obi kura wo ho no ma politics no nim ho hwe wontia manyosem na se ne ye de naba obi a ontia manyosem ase no ena bato a yetu no wo mayim no untumi nkomienu mpo e wo parliament o eti no wo de sympathy vote no obenyi obeba the second term eni ye toato aso no ye betumi ehu na ye si ye hu
akuya se okay asamoja ne bra ma fojan some years ago one more assorted journalist daily graphic journalist bi tasem no asempa be se egosi san enre ya so wama san assorted abranti bi allegedly it is alleged the Jan brothers wama san so assorted abranti bi na ye were recording audio recording of the alleged assault no enti ma yenti na fi yenti mu yi na fi bibia mene abranti no a it say wamdo amasake kanu no ye no so atwetwe enkomo.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, we started making excuses.
But for your, why will he say he will slap me?
You see?
But he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Take me to the radio station. Now it's so lonely.
Jim FM.
Where?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Jim FM.
You see, he hit me.
Got it. Is that your racket?
Bafo hit me.
Is that your racket?
No problem.
You like talking, eh?
What have I said? I'm talking to the person.
Shut up. Are you psycho or what?
But what have I said in this one?
Whose racket is this?
Is that why he hit me?
Jim FM.
Hey, if you say I'll hit you then. Make go answer. If you like talk, I'll hit you again.
Wow.
What's your name, guy? What's your name?
Jim FM.
Boss.
Oh, it's okay. No problem.
Why?
It's okay.
Jim FM.
Like, what is that how things go here?
No, it's okay.
You say he hit me, Bafoja hit me, and someone hit me, and you say you slap me.
No, it's okay.
He threw something against me. No, you are a lawyer.
I'll call
Is
you.
this right?
I'll call you. Just forget about it. It was just a game. I called it.
Sorry, I always call you. I've forgotten your real name.
Veronica.
Vero, yeah. Look at what has happened. Look at the embarrassment.
No. Let's go.
He will beat me. He will continue to slap me.
Let's go.
Aren't you surprised, boss? Are you not surprised?
Jim FM.
Hey, my car is parked there. I have to pass here.
Jim
I
FM.
called the game. I'm so sorry. Please.
But look at
No,
this.
please.
Slap me, beat me,
No, please.
hit me
Please,
because
don't
of a
talk.
game.
Please.
Okay, no problem.
Please.
Jim
Fine.
FM.
I came for the game.
Please. I'm begging you. God, and I know you are very. You can talk.
You watch. You will
okay.
see what happens.
Please.
It's okay.
Please.
Don't worry. You have money. I know people. No, I'm not saying anything again. Say he has beaten me. He's satisfied. No problem.
Coach, you have my key.
Jim FM.
No problem.
Why you have it? How about this?
This is my car.
It's okay.
Jim FM. Godwin Mate, Ahomano. So Godwin, good morning.
Pacho, good morning.
At the saying,
Yamiado.
me take game. I call the game. A game being 1-7 no.
Pacho, 10 to your friend 10.
Dadia.
Yeah, game I that is a ball kick wabi I did. You have to say racket, your friend racket.
Okay.
Yeah, the ball. Yeah, the ball no attract not called the other person.
Oh, okay. Tennis.
Yeah, long tennis. Yeah.
Okay. So game na course we
Cost or army officers mess go 37.
Army officers mess were 37.
Pacho.
And a band is saying Godwin.
Okay, so me and Ryan the first time ever I'm a bought tennis for me Bobby order. Me bought me tennis was a common tennis sport, but the court renovation into the court is closed. Into once a while tennis more society no. It may be say who bet me for another tennis club. You can bought tennis or at a debt. It is allowed. Let me come out about maybe you meet new people, you network and all that. Maybe you see other courts to buy your court. No matter about tennis, anyone network, anyone sending numbers near the business. There's no thing I call because no matter I'm coaching your fine para. Me call new people minimum. I was playing a double game. Double game, nipa you know the one side.
Yeah.
Now another nipa you know the other side.
Yeah.
Now I fall on the court. So I played that by a few games. And now Obabi whom you are Obano or a lawyer and also a tennis player. Now only me from Takumona tennis club. To whom you know sorry, I called the game.
On your friend Veronica no. Okay, to us, mommy.
On that, or any papa. Or no, who me not say, hey, what be here? Nothing, I know say, hey, what about the end? Would the opportunity to be and as a major or high, Bomodian no game back on, better me arranging game now in on board. As a major means that, minimum will be but all kind of pointy as a major that one in the general, and I'm sure, okay, no problem. Me board of you here, meaning about the Boston goes back. Because now this was about around 9 o'clock. Indeed, your court, you know, you were almost caught back on your board doubles. And I may call singles court, you know, so be there at a major version me both singles. In fact, me who say a tournament and a game be Africa, that's one of the because Jim from Market said because sweaty. I could get to leisure, just to play any exercise. I didn't go for say for bottom because me bought tournament, but tournament in me me call tournament. Yeah, I didn't really call me a tournament. But we me call say me ko hu sa ko to not try okay. But it's a Veronica can say a person me as a major boy. I first say it's not bad after any social thing.
Now that's Veronica no only ma Samoa did that.
Me gidi so nim no did that.
Okay. Trust me.
Game no start here. And almost I can say, almost person say, as a major shame, I remember excuses. Let me see. Now, way here, because we understand your tournament, into the young, you are just having fun. So let's go on. But they kept on emphasizing on that point. And the main problem that I realized was that the umpire now is a referee. I say football referee.
Yes.
Or no, but this is a point in the audio, and nothing out there. The umpire was bad for that. Yes. But you see, me initially
game na mo bono umpire or your referee no Bafojan Asamojan ne bra na odi referee e tennis nim
me patwan
to asoma me
inti from the beginning no me ha me because me say we nya adie gidi ka bia da so na say serious match.
Okay,
yeah gi ni keke but no more can say omo person serious match na me so me say me di ni share na me bomb hu modi inti after the point no be ba na it's a say media na ba for e dia ma Asamoah na game no na game no tie no point bi wo ho a ye friend no controversial ball no bet na land wo line so obi be ka say in obi be ka say out nti mrofo no kro mo ye no grand slam ni championship level professionals no omo wo efidie bi a omo timi di decide the ball no ye in or out ye friend no hawk high. But yeah, Miss Adom ball is not from in the Africa and it's technology in your common. Most of the points now here line balls now. Almost judge now how you tennis got to me who say we get can you guy in them. Now bad for the points now as a no problem. And I say okay, you know what? Let's call for a proper match so that we will have a match commissioner, we'll have a neutral umpire, we'll have everything. Mika me ba me say me ba be tournament and I'm ba be my team psychologically now I'll prepare for a match. Now when me begin from me first time ni wa ha so I'm planning to say me ni will be a serious match. Me after me kan ya new and as Samoa ba for jam bufu ye say shut up you shut up and go back then go and play. Let me say hey but well then I can what have we said we go put gidi
sure Samoa wo kan ya ni and ofia say shut up and go and play.
There was nothing else I said. That's what I said because a game there, but on a tennis game and yet boxing and a football contact game. Or because they will be charming and I be whipping and make piano. Tennis back the other side would not on then they see how they can idea. Bemo be whipping of the ball. So I didn't say anything strange or extraordinary or provocative. All I said was that I won't play the game again because I felt it was not fair to me. That was it. And about you complain too much, you go back there, go and play. Just because when the point doesn't come to me, when the point I felt was supposed to be for me, not on the man as a major, I remarked that, that point they say a good ball. That was my reaction. And it's normal, even professionals do it. A point makes me land, you can say a point or please say a good, even though the umpire say wrong. It's a friend challenge. Play academy challenge the umpire's decision. Normally decide if you didn't make an slow motion of the ball. Now we will be a toy say umpire near right and not wrong.
Just like we have VAR in football.
Fantastic. Okay. Fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic. It's just like VAR. In the and when you and a buffer jump to a TV, I can also know that me the bench no so tell me in body and obium. Me packing my dia committee boko. Of city when you know that pija me say go and stand there and play my friend go and say hey. Why I didn't by force and me say him go to man. So if you talk I will hit you. I will slap you. I'll beat you. Let me say, if you hit me, I'll report it to the police. Who is police? Here, hey, you can go anywhere in this country. You can take it anywhere. Then the end of somewhere for me. And see, people were trying to hold in at the back. I observed something. It looks like the two of them, they were like the lord of the court. Obia's role, you know. Obia can't mean back. And support me say, "I know your guy saying fair." Now I get. And then first about it. Then now it's here.
My name is already Jam Brothers, no, members of that court, and
because me get to her that and I am
was your first time, okay?
Okay. But people I spoke to say that is where they play. I don't know if it is true or not. But that's what the feedback I had. So we're only on my main court, on my bob. I mean, for me, me get me a guess. It's anyone new. I didn't know. I fear for my life. Now, as someone just buy, someone so bad for me say, oh, I didn't put me no more. They are trying to protect me from him. And as someone just mobile is something source. Saying your brother just hit you up. You deserve it. You deserve it. So I got an opportunity because the way I didn't call, I can't go Facebook Live. Let me hear evidence. Because we are here, me sebi. Me yakwada. I'll be back to my summer boom because me farak and me Jim from about 10. But I knew say me this same call be Diana me di manu keke kokan. E be brain jindi. Abeka so we be sister. E be say. Inti I had the slightest opportunity to go on my phone and press my record button because I needed evidence. And this is when your conversation. I mean your phone privately. I can say. It's a private, it's a public occurrence. Anybody could have recorded. So I took the opportunity to press the record button so that if anything happens to me, at least there will be an evidence that this is the conversation that happened when the incident was happening. I was really very threatened. So when I turned on the recording, everything went on. And they were still assaulting me. And if you listen to the conversation, Veronica felt very bad. And she kept apologizing because she felt embarrassed. And you know, if you look at the demeanor, they were sad.
Godwin, let me play this. You
are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, we started making excuses.
But why will you say you slap me?
You see?
But he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Godwin.
Sir.
Before the game, you started making excuses.
Yes.
I don't know because match any tournament. Price beer end so. Now, I mean, just before the game, you start making excuses. Excuses, man, and I will make it. Godwin.
Fantastic question. The point that led to me make an excuse was when they said that tournament, then someone fan say a serious game there. Then let's pick a proper tournament. That was the beginning. This thing happened even before the game even started. And I'm going to say, okay, we the Yembo. But on best play a proper match.
Okay, in the audio, yes. I sense that Obi Poncheo and when a Poncheo no.
Asamajan, because now Bapoja Bomiko, Emerson back, Uchi Ojunuko is here. After Asamajan bomb you and time I make Asamajan say, Bapojan just came to beat me and hit me. I say, you deserve it. And almost a bomb me count. And now it's a couple years, no. Or some bomb me count. You see. Oh my God.
About Hefa.
About me left shoulder. It was about me pa yesterday or about me say on MultiMedia Group. Say uti conversation any panu bu any so uti kata make of audio man. I wasn't aggressive and I said provocative and insulting. I didn't say anything but I just reported to you say who you have yesterday. And I almost so catch him saying I deserve to be beaten or some bomb make home. Or for what? Me I was harmless. I wasn't holding any weapon. I wasn't holding anything. They just intentionally inflicted harm and pain on me. and gave me the assurance that I can go anywhere. I'm call police, nothing will happen.
Have you lodged a formal complaint with the police?
In fact, to be honest, me driving with parquet at a point, and I was confused because the whole thing happened too fast. I had not recovered. Me parquet and I'm arrested. Then I continued. When I got home, I called my lawyer. Fortunately, he picked up and I'm explaining the and said, go back straight to the police station and make an official complaint. I went to cantonment headquarters, police headquarters, cantonment, and I make a report to a case. When I even played the audio there, all the police were surprised. They were saying, hey, everybody was surprised because initially I said I've been assaulted. No, I'm going to name 222. But when I now pull the evidence, the police now they saw that hey, serious. It wasn't say assaulted. They are depending on or Bomiankata. So they were worried and they said, okay, from what they are saying and their procedure, I have to go for medical checkup. I have to go for medical records. So I went to the police hospital just beside the police headquarters at the cantonment. And I examination, medical examination. And a medical doctor, I'm fine. You know what? No. That he has examined me and he can tell me for a fact that I'm not myself, that I'm not psychologically stable. He will recommend that I go and see a psychiatrist, that he will write in my report now. And me, I'm fine. I said, no. That he is a doctor. I should not tell him, say I'm fine. He has spoken to me. He can tell us I'm not stable. Psychiatry. I should go. So he wrote it in my report that even though he can't see any physical bruises on me, he can tell me, say, I'm not myself, I'm traumatized. So I have to go and see a psychologist. That's what he wrote. So I took all the report and went back to the police and then filed a proper formal complaint and then came back home.
Okay. Godwin,
Thank you for the
okay, Godwin Martin, actually, and Comono.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, we started making excuses.
But for your, why will you say you slap me?
You see?
But he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Take me to the radio station. Now it's so alone. Where?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. You see, he hit me. Is
that your racket?
Bafo hit me.
Is that your racket?
No problem.
You like talking, eh? Wait. You like talking, eh?
What have I said? I'm talking to
you. Shut up. Are you psycho or what?
But what have I said to this one?
Whose racket is this?
Is that why he hit me?
Whose racket?
No problem.
Hey, if you say I'll hit you then. If you like talk, I'll hit you again.
Wow.
What's your name, guys? What's your name? Your friend is saying. Boss.
Oh, it's okay, no problem.
That's okay.
Why?
It's okay. Like, what is that how things go here?
No. It's okay.
You say he hit me, Bafojan hit me, Asamoah hit me, and you say you slap me.
No, it's okay.
He threw something against me. No, you are a lawyer.
I'll call
Is this right?
I'll call you. Just forget about it. It was just a game. I called it.
Sorry, I always call you. I've forgotten your real name.
Veronica.
Veru. Look at what has happened. Look at the embarrassment.
No. Let's go.
He will beat me. He will continue to slap me.
Let's go.
Aren't you surprised?
Well, I don't know. No comment.
We come you ho. Abusia ya didi Ghanaian Times ebesha se wo de won krata na poso no mu. And from na MP wa ye lawyer Andrew Amoakon asiama na nimfonyi ibo animu. Say who say ye wo limping lawyer e wo mayi mu. The limping MP wono any lawyer asiama na da ubonka chai say wo kom na hye badwam MPP amanyoko nden krata akose na akonwa ne yenka mutu ho esa se amanyoko no ede ne kom na hye badwam no say wo so ode ne ho obekọ kontenkran eti omuso omuntumi nyina mu ma no eti Olympi ewo mra hye badwam unya di Ghanaian Times a ebi ewo mu a ubetumi akenkan bi na CJ Ghanaian Times mu no say yesi yenya ya pra wuni pa kroso ya no pa mampra wu fie ni aba no no article Godfred Bedu Chibu watwero di aba no was say erosion take place wo Ghana nyina da ensuo to ana bebe na atutu amena nyina se apra se ye pra wo fie apra ye de pra ye twiada pra wo fie no ye se wo pra no enye wura nko na wo pra na wo pra nwia ka ho eti say ye se usi udan akua duansensan wo fie nanim ensensan so nim sensan
na prayer is
emprefie ho wo so ye na se rubber edida ho no mo a na wasesa rubber no afiri ho duansensan wo duansensan ensuo to a enya babia ne namu a na so de hwe na wo pra ye so ma erosion take place munya ya pra de bonka ta ne wo de ababi
akua bo we ni taw sima 1 minute
Daily Graphic anope wono so ne dia wode enam nie wo se amanyoko manifestos ahodo no se sei eno so eho asem no akoda ne directwe na ebinom ya wo mo nimdie ewo oman pontuo mu se se Dr. Akwadwo Esiam Mensa Abrampa kanene nko Director General Edema NIDP National Development NDPC Dr. Nimoy Tonson ene kase na wo mienu nyina mu apai we se manifesto no document a ehu hia ewo man na manyosem ene ne mpontuo mu ena Dr. Nimoy Thompson susu se enka wute efrise ade no de eyamanyoko ne dia enye document bi ebekase omamu ne nyina dia enti se enema yetintim ewo manifesto sa wodo no amanyoko ne bambai mu no wose won fa nya adwuma wontumi so na mena wontumi so na wontumi nyere hutem eje se empanimfo mienu na apaye we se manifesto ehu hia ewo man na manyosemu na we nso se ehu hia enti eno so emu nsam no na Ghana mampani na na denko akufo ado na no presec woni ya woko national science and math quiz na wokodi enkunim no wabom abaso wose wo mo ye kings ankasa efrise wo ma gene makomako ensia ya ebi ensi wo school bia mu da enti etwase wo bo wo mabaso efrise ono ankasa old student na yemra sebedwam tia mepani wono se old student enti eno na se wo abankese mu no sa bra nipa no miensa ekokopie ho na enigi ana aba ho a yede abasobode ma wo mu na enye asemketo akra na speaker na kase wose mfanteman abato mpesua so no enya dia by election bia ebekoso ewo mfanteman abato mpesua so efise ye kase kra de akato ne bram no oman de kwa akoto abanti ehu nkonko hia ma oman no ese wo be by elections ewo mfanteman abato mpesua so CJ enti ene anope
okay
eye national science and math quiz mistress
akua na akua
mistress no na
akua
Daily Graphic
bar stop
guest editor
na CJ
bar stop
me invitation bi emma nyame ya domo a
party ana
kwasie da ebeyi
party
ye da asondan yedi Kanechi Center Church of Pentecost dedication
and also
eti
mu wi ambe party
we be party at 13 bebem
say James mo birthday say James mo birthday request Thomas Asie domia menua no US and na ye ne birthday enti happy birthday menua be ma prekope